What's up, guys? Welcome to Lippy's Fishing. We just arrived and Sid's hooked up already on the board. Oh, we didn't make our sheet for games.
Well, I can
crap.
Remember, this is 3, I know. This is 3, 4. Oh, you got me.
I thought you were going to grab it.
Nice. First little guy,
Smallie, small jaws.
I think you just grab the guy.
Let her go.
Yeah.
Cannonball. All right, that's a good start. Good job, bud. Okay, guys, let's get set up here. What I got in here is I got some little bluegills and 2 perch. It's gonna be a little bit of cut bait. I'm gonna cut his head off here. Might work later, I don't know. I need to just cut them while they're all frozen. When they thaw out, usually I have a hard time. Sometimes. Okay. It's gonna go with a nice little piece of meat here. Okay, got 2 pieces of meat here. Let's see, we're gonna put the smaller one on the smaller hook. Hopefully you guys can see that. I should not be doing this over the wall. Okay, now we're gonna struggle for the camera. That'll be all right. Go this way. That skin. Okay, we're gonna try that. Here we go. Well, the fun part is I don't have a rag. We do got a little bit of water. Need a little, not waste all our drinking water, but a little bit. Just for that part. Let's get these guys casted out. Okay, watch out, buddy. I'm gonna make a cast real quick here.
What is that,
Perch. Perch out. Perch is out. Yeah, dude, this pole's awesome. I wish I had it. I'm about to steal it. I got a 2 ounce, so I'm probably not going to get nowhere near as far as that. That was a 3 ounce on that one. Come up this way a little bit, make a cast. And that line's so much thicker on this pole, but hey, that wasn't too bad. We'll take it. We'll just leave it set up right over here. Twist this eye here. Okay. Fish on, guys. I just tied up to a night crawler. Oh, I kicked my worm off. First cast with a worm. Fish on.
That's a nice one.
A little bit nicer, yeah.
Huh?
A little bit nicer, yeah.
Put it in mine.
It's pretty nice. Uh-oh. Come here, you. Alrighty, guys. Here we go. Smallmouth. Number 1 for me. It's 2 smallmouth today. Good day, bud. Oh, I have to let a fish. Dang it, I got somebody's line. Ah, this is a good way to lose your worm. And you only have a couple. Bitches. Well, guys, we ended up leaving the wall and we're coming back up here to the other dam. Yeah, fish were biting, but they seemed a little slow. Guys down below us said they weren't catching much. They would come up through Channel Cow on Sid's line for some reason. But, yeah, here we go. Well, we have officially arrived. This is looking beautiful. Nice day not to have no freaking weights. I'm almost out of split shots and sinkers, but
I'm getting ready to fish, man.
alrighty, got our perch, same piece of perch we kept. We're gonna put this out here while we mess around back here at this dam. Probably won't be here as long, but still worth a shot. You never know. Could get a quick bite or something. That's all it takes. That's good. It wasn't bad. That was good. Sid's on the board already, guys. I'm down there setting up and he's yelling, got something.
I don't know what
Sweet, man. Alright, we'll be easy.
Pretty strong.
Looks like a smallie.
It's like a full water line.
Smallie.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Pull 'em up.
Want to try pulling it up?
Outside, dude.
Go ahead, back up. I'll pull you on up. Nice, dude.
Nicer one. I think
It's like the one we got at the wall.
There's always something nice there.
I know, dude. Yeah. Well, they fight real good, too.
They do. Well, it looked nice in the water.
Sid, smallie? Alright, man. Well, was it worth coming back here then? For that? Just for that? I mean, we were worried we weren't going to catch much. We don't have much time. But first cast, he actually grabs one, so that's awesome. Sid's hooked up again. Oh, nice bluegill. Nice, man. Well, you figured out what it was. That's a nice one. Nice, dude. Give you little knuckles there. I'm going to go back to my pool because I might have...
Bye, buddy. Dude, it's still getting on my hand. That is disgusting.
Well, I finally got myself a fish. It don't look very big. We'll take it. Oh, you sucker, you. Oh, this is a small mouth. Jigging my worm straight down here. I started jigging it like real weird, like real hard, and he just come up and smacked it. It's pretty cool.
I called him smallmouth.
It's a smallmouth.
What's he got on his belly?
On his belly? Hold on 1 second, buddy.
Oh!
Nice little slap to my arm. He's biting me.
Ooh!
Oh, that's...
What is that? See it?
What?
Looks like he got bit or something.
I think it's just marks on him. Little smallmouth. Been a smallie type of day. Well, we got lots of smallmouth today.
I don't even know who won the challenge. If you think about it, I got one smallmouth. I got 2 smallmouths, so I have 6. And I caught a bluegill, so that's 7 points. And you got, what, 2 smallmouth?
2 landed, yeah, 2's landed smallmouth. So I got 6.
You got 6, and I have 7. So if you don't get another fish, you're done.
Oh, man.